I love these things. They work fast. They're super simple to use. Made out of solid metal. And they cost like 12 bucks. Forgot to mention it comes in this nice little carrying case. And as you can see, they just simply screw on and they hold down the valve stem and it lets the air out. Super simple. Literally takes 1 minute to air down all 4 of my tires at the same time. These kids are ridiculous.
Dad.
Can't even go 2 minutes without bugging me. Hold on, man, I'm coming. Just go play in the sand, dude.
Found a shell.
Found a shell?
Yeah.
Cool.
Dad, you like my sand angel?
Yeah, that's sweet.
When we go, I'm gonna do it too. And Dad, if I kick sand in my boots, they're super tough, so they won't get in my boots.
Okay.
That's why I like when we go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Can you back up that way this would be crushed?
Oh, sure. Crush that little piece of grass. Liam and his sand angel.
Yeah. Brooklyn!
This big old pole. Pretty crazy the ocean washes this giant thing up here, huh? Alright, let's go, guys. Your feet wet. Get it! Get it! Yeah!
Oh!
That sand knows how to fight back, huh? You're gonna check what?
I'm gonna check my socks.
Yeah. But they're pretty sandy. Yeah.
Dad, did you know everything is sandy? Dad.
Yo.
What do you mean it's not? I was breaking sand on those little things.
Yeah, the ocean had made like a little sand cliff and you were breaking it off. Yeah, that's pretty fun, huh?